Hello everyone, welcome to Best RV channel. This is Mari from Best RV in Southern California. What is behind me? It's a brand new 2026. It's the 2026 Sabre. Completely they changed it from the front, especially the new front cap. They went from mid profile front cap to high profile front cap. So what are you? This unit is the 37FLH. We have this unit in the 2025 was sold out, and now we started selling the 26. So the major changes between 25 and 26 from the Sabre is in the front cap. They went to a high profile front cap and they changed the look about it. And then you have the big white strip of LED in the front. Look how beautiful. They stretch it a little bit more so it could give you more room inside. This floor plan is very well known. It's a front living room. So you have the front living room with the two sofa opposing each other and the tier seating facing the TV. And then you have the kitchen in the middle with the island. And this slide is the dinette. And across from it is the kitchen. And then you have a second bathroom downstairs, which is the guest bathroom, which is a sink and a toilet. And then in the back, you have a king size bed with a 2 vanity sink and washer dryers and the big showers underneath. The 37FLH, as we know, it comes with outdoor kitchen. So you have the big, not the small one, not the small, the big one, fridge with a fridge. And you have the grill and a nice cabinet with lighting. And then you have the latch for the dogs. 2 power awning, so you can see there's one power awning here, another power awning. The whole unit is awning. That's the front. That's all the centers. Receivers on the back, the bike rack, the This is a 5 slide out, 3 on this side and 2 on the other side. And then you have over here, in the sub one here. Brand new. And then you have the pass-through storage with the docking station. So you can see you have the hot and cold. You have all the sandy flush, the city water connections, the antifreeze connection, the black tank flush for the black tank flush for the small bathroom, and black tank flush to the big bathroom. So you have 2 black tank on this unit, and you have 2 black tank flush because it has 2 baths and 2 toilets. The auto leveling system here, the pass-through, it's a true aluminum structure. You have installation here as well. Here, there's installations. It comes with a 200-watt solar panel and a controller 30 amp. Topping tank one inside. And in the front, you have the big storage, where you have your spare tires and the 2 batteries. And you can see the 30 amp controller right there for your solar system. Going inside the 37FLH, I like about it is a post-it and a big handle, so it's easy. You have the glass door on it. As you see, we're inside the brand new 37FLH. It's a front living room, 5th wall. Now, when they put the new cap, what they give us here, look at the height. Look, I'm 5.6. Look the distance here. They give me more height in the front by giving you easy to get in here. There's nothing hitting. And then you have the 2 hide-a-bit sofa. Actually, hide-a-bit sofa. 2 hide-a-bit sofa crossing each other. And then you have the 2 reclining. You can see, let me show you guys. You have 2 recliner here. Place for cup. You have 1 here, 1 there. And then these sofas, they're really nice finish. What I really like about it on the 26, they clean up around the sofa, the height bit, and look more clean. You don't see no wires, nothing. It's nice finishing, nice fascia around the slide out. You have the zebra shades and lights and plugs for USB. Big TV, big smart TV here with the USB plugs, fireplace, storage on both sides, more storage, and deeper. Why? Because they give you the bigger cap. Both sides here. Going in the kitchens, you have nice counter space here. You could utilize whatever. But before I go to the kitchen, I want you to look at the unit. You see this beautiful crown molding with the LED light behind the crown molding? I don't have this in my house. I wish I had that. So they dress it up really good. They putting the 2 AC with the ceiling fan. You have the nice light over the kitchen. The combination of the color of the kind of creamy and the dark chocolate and the beige and the brown. I mean, they have a nice design. Put it this way, and nice quality. I mean, we sell. Put it this way: if we sold all our 25 and what we are now on the 26, what does that indicate to you? Good quality, and we push inventory. So you have the big sink, you have the waterfall sink, you have the vegetable sink, and then you have cutting board, the rinse cup, the sprayer, the soap dispenser. You have an inverter plug over there. Solid service. This is not a Formica with LED lights. You could see. Place for trash can, deep one. A lot of closet, finish, big one. A lot of doors, and I love this what they did, you know, for your tinsel, for your spices, more doors. And then this is good. Look at it. This is range, 3-burner range and an oven. Good counter space on the left side. 30-inch convection microwave. So in this unit, I have 2 ovens. I have electric oven in the top, and I have a propane oven at the bottom. And again, the look residential. I have radiator prep. I have my own window to work with. Pantry. Everybody telling me pantry, pantry. Guess what? I could stand in this pantry and it's lit up. So you can see it's a beautiful pantry over there. A lot of doors. They don't waste nothing. They don't even waste this little tiny space. They give it to you. And then they give you the biggest refrigerator ever shipped from. Let me take this traveling strap. So you have 2-door freezer and 2-door fridge. Oh, traveling strap. Hold on. Safety. So things does not come on you when you travel. Place for more storage in the kitchen. And it's a real wood cabinet and a paper. This counter, I call it appliance counter. You put your coffee maker, your toasters, your espresso machines, whatever you want. Put here, there's plug and USB. And then there's also a storage. And again, this is a real wood, not a paper. Beautiful table and 4 chair, but I love, there's no legs. No legs. Nothing is going to hit my knee and say, oops. Big tables, as you see, facing the kitchen countertop. Another pantry. I don't know what you want to put in this. How many pantry you give them? Pantry or coat hangers. Sorry, it's coat hangers. But it's still more storage. I mean, they don't waste it. And then you have the guest bathroom, I call it. So you don't want nobody to walk in your bedroom. You have your guest bathroom. Very roomy. Storage. True medicine cabinet. Fan on the ceiling. And then I have my heaven. I open this door, I have full privacy, beautiful full-size bed with the storage. I love this. They give you shelf here. You can put your breathing machine. You have both sides, 110 and inverter plug as well, USB plug. So you have no issue for your breathing machine. A lot of storage. So, closet, that's going to be for her. This is going to be for her, and this is for you, sir. This is the bottom one. But anyway, a lot of closet, like to do. Place here for makeup, hair dryers, beautiful, whatever you want to put. Very roomy. And then you have the big TV in the bedroom. It used to be 32, now, wow, that's more than 40. I assure you it's more. It's a big TV. Also, if you don't want nobody to see your bathroom, it's no big deal. Just close this door. Nobody will see what's going inside. And it's the barn door. It's more country. I love it. Love my country. Look how roomy. Big oval. Like what they did. It used to be cornered. They did the oval. Give you more counter space. His and her sink. Huge counter space. I don't know what you want to fill it. Makeup. All lotions. All bottles. Whatever women they use. You plenty of room. Place for more decorations. More stuff. This is medicine cabinet. This is for her. Medicine cabinet for his. So his and her sink and his and her medicine cabinet, personal toilet. Again, there's no problem for height and width. Also, washer dryer stackable. If you want to use this, if you want to put the combo, we'll put it right here. If you want to use the stackable, it go up over here. You want to use it just closet with shelf, voila, this is the shelf. They give you the shelf. Actually, they give you the shelf, the 2 shelves, and you could do whatever you like. You could use it as a closet, or you could use a stackable washer with a stackable washer. So this is the 37FLH. Now I'm talking the bathroom just to show how roomy, how high, how good at it. One-piece shower, that's, we forgot to mention, that's a big deal. No seam whatsoever. Place for your soap, height, glass, shower. Nothing gonna go outside when you take a shower. When you sweat, no issue, because you have a fantastic fan, suck all the heat and get you fresh cold air here, so you have no mold. Everything by remote control, nothing manual. So 37FLH, that's the brand new 2026 loaded 5 slide out 200-watt solar panel, 2 power awning, and auto leveling, loaded at a price no one in the state of California. Try, do the job for yourself. We giving you the best and the lowest price. What else? Free get ready package. What else? Free dealer prep. What else? Full walkthrough. No hidden fees, no bogus fees. We save you money. Just come to Best RV and we'll prove it for you.